I don't know about you, but I am a sucker for MovieTalks. I love using the MovieTalk method in my classroom, but I'm finding I don't have as much time to do as many MovieTalks as I'd like. Some of the MovieTalks that I've done in the past are now being replaced by other MovieTalks that I'm finding, but I do like to use them in my FVR. It's a great way to add additional books and get your kids reading even more in a comprehensible manner. And one way that you can do that is if you're taking the screenshots of the video already to present the MovieTalk as a slideshow, which a lot of us are doing, another thing that you can do is add text over that PowerPoint slide and print it out. What I recommend doing is first saving your PowerPoint as a PDF, and then you can choose to print from the PDF, because you will find that rather than printing 2 per a page, if you do it from PDF rather than straight from PowerPoint, your page is going to extend the whole way rather than PowerPoint slides, which kind of get shrunk down on the sheet of paper. And I cut them in half, so you can see here it's a half-size booklet. This one I printed on photo paper, so it has a nice gloss. Alma, one of my favorite stories to tell. And then I print this off and I put it in my library. I have a past tense version and a present tense version that students can choose to read. So they see the image there. It's a way for them to review this language if they're already familiar with the story that we've watched in class, or if it's a story that we haven't watched in class, they do have the text and the picture to reference, so they can read it on their own. So another way, if you print it, this is what it looks like if you print from a PowerPoint. Again, it's much smaller, but if you keep it as 2 pages, or you can cut in half. Simon's cat makes great MovieTalks, very comprehensible. So you can find some MovieTalks that we've published at SpanishTeacherShop.com. And any MovieTalks that you produce, that you use in your classroom, go ahead and type up that text, add it to the slides, and you've got some more readers for your library. It's a great way, without costing you anything, to add to your library.